Hey everyone, welcome back to the Outdoor Food Project. Today we're making something seriously good. Grilled bison ribeye steak with a creamy pork gorgonzola sauce. If you love a good steak, you're in the right place. So let's get into it. Here's what we're gonna need for our recipe today. 2 bison ribeye steaks, 2 tablespoons of butter, 3 garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of crushed peppercorns, half a cup of port, 1/3 a cup of gorgonzola, 1/3 a cup of heavy cream, crumbled blue cheese, olive oil, and some salt and pepper. Alright, first thing we gotta do, we gotta get these steaks prepped. I've got some beautiful bison ribeyes here. You'll wanna pat them dry so we get a nice crust when we grill them. Next, we're gonna hit it up on both sides with salt and pepper. That's all you really need for a great steak. Now I'm going to start prepping for our sauce. This sauce is rich, creamy, and straight up delicious. I'm going to start off by finely mincing 3 cloves of garlic. Next thing I'll do is grab about 1 tablespoon of peppercorns. I'm gonna put it in a mortar and pestle and crush it up a bit. Not too much, just make sure it's nice and cracked. To start off this sauce, I'm gonna melt 2 tablespoons of butter in a medium hot pan. Now my cracked peppercorns are going into the pan together with the garlic. Let that cook for about 3 to 4 minutes, just until your place starts smelling amazing. Toast it up for a few minutes, and when your garlic starts to smell fragrant, that's when you know it's ready. Now pour in half a cup of port wine. This gives the sauce a nice sweetness to balance out the funky gorgonzola. Next, add in 1/3 of a cup of crumbled gorgonzola and 1/3 of a cup of heavy cream. Whisk it all together and let it bubble for about 5 minutes. You want it smooth, creamy, and thick enough to coat the back of a spoon. Boom, the sauce is done. Try not to eat it all straight out of the pan. It is so delicious. Grill time. I'm gonna coat both sides of the steaks generously with olive oil. Throw the steaks on the hottest part of the grill and let it go for about 1.5 minutes. We're gonna flip them and grill them for another 1.5 minutes on the other side. After 3 minutes have expired, we're gonna repeat the process for a total of 3 minutes per side. This should land us right at a perfect medium rare. If you like it more done, let it go a little longer, but don't overdo it. This is a ribeye and you don't want to turn it into a hockey puck. Once that's done, remove the steaks and let them rest for about 5 minutes. And yes, resting is very important. It keeps all those juices right where you want them. I like serving this dish with a side of sautéed vegetables. Seems like the perfect combo to me. This is the magic right here. That creamy sauce and that smoky, juicy steak, unreal. It's time to eat. Check this out. Perfectly cooked, juicy, and just waiting for that sauce. If you love blue cheese like I do, you can crumble it over the top and hit it up with a bit of heat. The steak's got that perfect char and the sauce just melts into it. This is ridiculous. It's a must try. If this looks good to you, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome outdoor cooking. And let me know in the comments what you'd like to see me cook next. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.
Very good and yummy, yummy, yummy.
Super amazing.
Wow. Nice and sweet. There's this peppery flavor, and I love the cheese taste.